Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to import photos from Unsplash to Snappa. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your account and open the project you want to edit. I'm just going to use the template from here. On the left hand side of the editor, click on the background tab. Snappa integrates with Unsplash, allowing you to easily access their vast library of high-quality images. In the search bar within the background tab, type keyword related to the type of photo you need. Snappa will display a selection of relevant images from Unsplash. Scroll through the result and click on the photo you want to use. The selected photo will automatically be applied as a background for your design. If you don't want it as background, you can select graphics instead. Search Unsplash here and insert the image as a standalone element in your canvas. After adding Unsplash photo, you can customize by adjusting its opacity, applying effect like blur or grayscale, or adding a color overlay for a unique look. Resize and reposition the photo as needed to fit your design. Review your design to ensure the Unsplash photo complements your layout and supports your message. When satisfied, download your design or save it in Snappa for future edits. By following these steps, you can easily import and customize Unsplash photo in Snappa to create high-quality, visually appealing designs. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.